To get notified when receive new message of archive chat on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to disable Keep Chat Archive option within the WhatsApp setting. To do so, open WhatsApp, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select Setting, tap Chat, and then tap the green on off switch next to Keep Chat Archive to disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is off. When this option is off, archive chat will automatically unarchive when you receive a new message from the chat. That way, your phone will give you notification for that new message. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.